Hey, it's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and in this video I'll be going over the Divi audio module. So before we dive into the tutorial, I just wanted to let you know that I have a special discounted affiliate link below that you can get at least 10% off Divi if you don't already have it. And that link is WPWithTom.com/Divi. And I also wanted to mention that I'll be posting videos regularly covering the Divi modules on my channel. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of these Divi module videos. And with this quick intro out of the way, let's dive into the Divi audio module. So this is a very straightforward one. I'm actually just going to start by creating it. If we go to click Add New Row, and then we'll make it a full width row or one section row there, and then we'll click on Audio. So now we have this. By default, it looks pretty bland, but I actually am going to change the title, the artist, the album, and then the background and add the music in. So let's go through this process. So I'm actually going to use an example from Audiohero.com, and this is a website where you can purchase music that you can use on your websites or videos and things like that. So I just chose this one randomly. It says Quietly Confident Outlook, and it gives me the artist name, it gives me an album, so it works well for this example. And then I downloaded the MP3 file of it over here. So you have different options of a WAV or an MP3 file. I just downloaded the MP3 file. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back over here to the site, and I'm going to put in the information, so the title, the artist, and the album. So I'm just going to copy that. I have it over on another page here, and I'll just paste that in. Do the same thing with the artist name, and I'll paste that in, and I'll paste in the album, which is called Bull Market Bonanza. Interesting name. So let's just paste that in over here. And now you can see that it goes into effect on the screen when we paste it in. So that wraps up the text section here, what you can do within there. For the audio, let's go and actually upload the file. So if I were to click on upload here, we're going to need to go and find the file. So select the file, and I'm going to find the file that I downloaded here. And then it's going to load the file. You can see that it's the MP3 file right here, the same one for Quietly Confident. And then I'll just click Upload an Audio File. And now you see that we get this little bar here in the background for when we play the music, and you have this volume that you can adjust as well over here. So again, this still looks pretty bland here. We can change this as we go through. So let's say you have like an album cover for this album Bull Market Bonanza, and you want it to go over here on the left side. You can go and click on this, add image, and I'm just going to select a random one that's already on the website. So I'll just click on this one, upload an image. So you can see it goes right here on the left side. So let's say you have an album that you want to show all the songs for. You might want to just finish this off and make it how you want it to look, and then copy them over and over again and duplicate them basically, so you don't have to keep creating them one by one. You basically will already have the foundation in place with the image here for the album. Then you would just need to change the name and the audio for each one, but you'd have the design in place to speed up the process. So if we close the image one, let's go down to where it says background. Another option here is to change this background color. So you can just change the color itself and make it something like this, make it easier to read. Or what you can do is go and add an image for the background color. So right here, I'm going to click on this, add background image, and I'll just select this one right here and upload an image. So now it covers the back of this area. So if you wanted to get rid of this one and have it cover the full width, you could do that. If we went back up to image and then just click delete there, now you can see it says Quietly Confident, and it has the name, it has the bar. It's kind of hard to see the bar because it's right on the shoreline right here of the water. But what we can do is we also can go down to where it says our background area right here. And then over here we can use a parallax effect as well to make it a little bit more visible as they scroll. And if we want to see that in effect, we can just start scrolling, and you can see what it looks like as we use it on the page. You can see it scrolls with the image, and it looks pretty cool. So that is an effect that you can put in place there as well, and we're going to use the true parallax method. So that's a really easy way to set up this audio file here. We just want to save it, and then let's say you do want to duplicate it. You can go right here and click Duplicate Row, and then you can have additional ones after that, and then just quickly go in and edit the song and the title, but leave the album and the artist the same. So it's an easy way to make more and more of them very quickly and get this audio module set up quickly. This could work perfect for something like a podcast or a SoundCloud website or something like that to really get people's music out there So I highly recommend checking it out and playing around with it yourself. There's a lot more that you can do with it, but I wanted to just go through the quick edits that you can make within the actual Divi audio module here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more Divi module tutorials. Thanks for viewing and have a good one.